Hi all. Here are some of the important questions from the chapter sets. When you practice these questions and similar questions, then you can solve almost all questions from this chapter in your exam. Here is the first question. A universal set U is given and three subsets A, B, C are also given. We need to find these values. So here first question is we need to find A complement. The set A is given. A contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So in A complement, all the elements present in U other than the elements present in A. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is present in A. So the remaining elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are present in A complement. So A complement is this. Now what is B complement? Do yourself. Now, next question is we need to find A union C complement. So, what is A union C? All the elements present in A and C. Repetition is not needed. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4 is already written. So, remaining 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are elements present in A union C. Now, what is its complement? Do yourself. So its complement contains 7, 8, 9. Now, try to find A union B complement. So here is A union B complement. Now, next we need to find A complement complement. So A complement, we already find the answer for that A complement. Now we need to find complement for this set. That is all the elements present in U which is not present in A complement. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. So A complement is 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually A complement is same as A. Now what is B? Next question is B minus C complement. So B minus C is all the elements present in B which is not present in C. Here 4, 6 are present in C. So we need to delete 4 and 6. So the remaining is 2, 8. So B minus C contains 2, 8. Now what is its complement? Its complement is this. So try to do these types of questions. Similar videos are we already done. It is given in suggested videos. So try to practice that also. Here is the second question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English, and we need to find how many people can speak both Hindi and English. So here the given things are these. Total number of people and number of people who can speak Hindi. We represent it by A. So N of A is 250 and number of people who can speak English. N of B is 200. Now we need to draw a Venn diagram. Here this square represents the total number of people. It is 400 and this circle represents the number of people who speak Hindi and the second circle represents the number of people who speak English. Now we need to find their intersection. So here the very important formula is N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now here N of A, N of B and N of A union B are given. So we need to find N of A intersection B. That is the number of people who speak both Hindi and English. Just substituting these values and calculating, we will get N of A intersection B as 50. So here The total number of people who speak both Hindi and English is 50. So you can expect these types of word problems in your exam. For that, first you need to read the questions carefully, and after that you need to label the given things with A or B like that. Then you should draw a Venn diagram and you need to write this formula. Then using this formula and with the help of Venn diagram, you need to find the answer for your question. Practice more questions. Here is another question. Here two sets are given. You need to write that sets in roster form. Here the first set A is set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So here x is an integer and x lies between minus 3 and 7. Here equal to sign is given and here equal to sign is not given. So the integers between minus 3 and 7. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is the set A. Here equal to sign is not. So we are not including 7 here. Now the second B is set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So the natural number less than 6 is this. So you can expect these types of questions in your public exam. Practice more questions. Here is another question. You need to write the following sets in set builder form. So the first question is the set 3, 6, 9, 12. So its set builder form is like this. Set of all x such that x equal to 3n because 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4 like that is given. So set of all x such that x equal to 3n. N is a natural number and the value of n lies between 1 and 4. Now these are other questions. Try to do yourself. So you can expect these types of questions in your exam from the chapter sets. Practice more questions, then you can score full marks. Now, thank you all.